Hello, guys, and welcome back. Today's theme is animals and snow. Let's get it. I really like how cats can find anything entertaining.
Выкопали-то все. Не дает папке снег. Все, нет.
Just love it. Riding in the car, listening to talk, feeling for each other. Picking out skies, feeling super child, distant with Donna Glover. It's called from my mother. Like where you are tonight, gonna lullaby. I was all alone.
In case you didn't know, they have this special type of snow dog in Russia. I've heard they aren't dangerous as long as you're nice to them.
Печенюшки такая хрупкая. Это правильное дело. Нос холодный у него? Не как у собаки.
Ну, это, слышь, на улице не тепло, блин.
Ollie, come inside. Come on. Come.
Let's go see the damage you did, buddy. Yeah? Should we go see the damage you did? How many chickens did you get? Go have a look at this damage. There's one. See how upset you made everyone? There's two. That's two of our new chickens. These guys are pretty upset over there.
So there could have been a couple enforcement actions, but none were taken in this instance. We're just glad that this incident didn't end in a different way.
You ready, guys? You want to give it hell? Let's see if you can. I don't think you can. What you gonna do? Well, you're gonna stand on your brother.
This is what Golden's doing in the snow, not those stupid little dogs.
Come on back in. Yeah, I know it's cold.